Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone, how are you and welcome to my channel. In this video, I want to show you how to crochet this small purse point over small stuff like cards. This purse is 8 x 9 centimeters and it is made of the beautiful spike stitches. This is what it looks like. If you are ready, let's get started. The material I used for making these projects are 2 different colors of polyester yarns, 2mm crochet hook, a pair of scissored tapestry needle, a stitch marker, and a button. Firstly, make a slip knot using whichever method you prefer. This pattern is the multiple of 2. Now make 20 foundation chains plus 2, so the total amount of the foundation chains are 22. These are the 20 foundation chains. I will make 2 more chains. Then I will make first single crochet on the 3rd chains from the hook. Then make 1 single crochet in each of the chain stitches. Make 20 single crochet. This is the last chains from the hook and the first chains after the slip knot. Make 3 single crochet in this stitch. Then make 1 single crochet in each of the next stitches. This one is the 21st chains from the slip knot and the 2nd chains from the hook. Make 2 single crochet in this stitch. After that, make a slip stitch on the top of the first single crochet. Then pull off the yarn and make 1 back loop single crochet in each of the stitches. These are back loop single crochets. Make 1 back loop single crochet in each of the stitches to complete this round. This is the last back loop single crochet. Make 1 back loop single crochet in this last stitch for this second round, then put a stitch mark on the top of it. Then I will start the main pattern. As what I've told you at the beginning of this video, the main pattern of this purse is made of the beautiful spike stitches. These beautiful spike stitches are made of 2 different single crochet. I've just made the first single crochet, then I will put a stitch mark on the top of it, and followed by the second single crochet. I call the first single crochet as the upper single crochet because this first single crochet is made in the upper stitch, meanwhile the second single crochet is made in the lower stitch. So these spike stitches are made of the upper and the lower single crochet. This one is the upper single crochet, followed by a lower single crochet because this second single crochet is made in the lower stitch. Make an upper single crochet. After that, make a lower single crochet in the next lower stitch. Make an upper single crochet in the next upper stitch, and a lower single crochet in the next lower stitch. Repeat these actions to complete this round. This stitch, or stitch where I put a stitch marker, is the ending point of the first round. To continue the pattern, skip this stitch, then make 1 single crochet in the next 1 stitch. This is the upper single crochet. After that, make a lower single crochet in the next lower stitch. Make an upper single crochet in the next upper stitch. Put a stitch marker on the top of the very first lower single crochet before you continue the work. Then, continue the work. Make 1 lower single crochet in the next lower stitch, 1 single crochet in the next upper stitch. Repeat these actions to complete this second round. Have a look. I'm approaching the ending point of the second round. There are 2 stitches left. Do not get confused when you see 2 stitches left at the ending of the second round. What I'm teaching you in this video is how to make a spiral spike stitches, so you need to skip this first stitch and make 1 single crochet and a stitch where I put a stitch marker. This one is a lower single crochet because this matches in the lower stitch. After that, remove a stitch marker and make a single crochet in the next upper stitch. This next single crochet is an upper single crochet because this matches on the upper stitch. Then repeat the actions. Make a lower single crochet in the next lower stitch, 1 single crochet or an upper single crochet in the next upper stitch, 1 single crochet in the next lower stitch. These stitches are typically the repeated actions, so you need to repeat them to complete the green part of this purse. This is what it temporarily looks like. I think I will add some more rounds to complete this green part before I change the yarn's color. I've just reached the size of the green part I used for this pattern. Now I'm changing the yarn's color. For that, I will make a lower single crochet in the next lower stitch, an upper single crochet in the next upper stitch, back to a lower single crochet in the next lower stitch, an upper single crochet in the next upper stitch, and a lower single crochet in the next lower stitch. It's very easy, isn't it? So you just need to repeat this action over and over again until you get the height you desire. Well, I've got the height I desire for this purse. This is what it looks like. It's very cute and of course it's very beautiful. To make the beautiful last touch, I will make 2 rounds of single crochet for this purse. So each stitch of these purses need to be filled with 1 single crochet. All single crochets are normal single crochet. There is no lower single crochet anymore. I used normal single crochet for these 2 last rounds. This is the first round of a single crochet. And this is the second round of the single crochet. The position of my crochet hook is in the middle of the purse. Have a look. This is the very perfect position where I will make a chains hooker for this purse. Okay, now we'll make 12 chains as a hooker. Then I will make 1 single crochet in the same stitch. And 1 single crochet in each of the next stitches until the end of the round 2. This is my last single crochet. This is the last stitch. This is the last stitch. So to end this project, I will make a slip stitch in the last stitch. Then I will cut the yarn. Finally, I will hide this yarn tail using the pass-through needle. I saw it's inside the body of this bag. You can use your own method to hide this yarn tail. It's okay as long as it's invisible. It's just fine. Finally, I will cut this yarn. To make it look gorgeous, don't forget to put the button. Sew the buttons manually using the pass-through needle. It's ready now. It's so lovely and adorable. And I hope you like it. Well everyone, thank you so much for watching this video. See you again on the next video. Have a good day and happy crochet!